Hey guys, let's talk about our second project for our book, Life Management Under God. So we have been learning in chapter 2 about safety. We've been talking about the importance of safety while driving, safety in the home. We've been talking about why it's not good to get tattoos. We've also been discussing first aid, and we have also been talking about the dangers of alcohol and tobacco use. So for this week, I want you to create a slideshow finding using four verses that talk about the dangers of drunkenness. And you can find these verses in Proverbs. There's some verses in the New Testament that would be helpful. You can Google what does the Bible say about drunkenness, and use verses that come up in your Google search. But you're going to find four of them, and you're going to create a slideshow. And I want you to use the slideshow to explain what the Bible tells us about alcohol. And then you're going to turn that in at the end of the week. And that is going to be a test grade. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.